like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day. It's like my iPod stuck on replay, yeah.
Hi, I'm Sam Haley-Hill. I'm the lead instructor here at the California Actors Workshop at Stanford University. This camp is very exciting because we have 2 full weeks to work intensively with young actors on the skills they need to be successful actors going forward. We teach rigorous movement classes, give students options to learn about film, musical theater, or even audition techniques and improvisation. And over the course of the last week, we see students exploring space differently, gaining mastery over how their body translates information to an audience, and even gain the ability to mimic the bodies and walks of other people.
My name's Cayman Hodges. I'm teaching the acting for film class. It's a lot different from stage acting. If you want to be an actor at this point in history, it's really important to know how to act on film. They're going to be really comfortable on set with other actors, and they're going to know how to pull back their performance a little bit and make it subtle.
Hi, my name is Marissa Conroy and I am the musical theater instructor. So what I'm doing with your kids in class is mainly teaching them how to breathe properly and how to sing in a really healthy way so that they don't hurt their voices. We do a lot of breathing exercises, a lot of stretching to really get them ready and really making sure that they're breathing properly and that they're getting a really nice sound.
I'm Pamela May Davis. I am an acting and movement instructor here at the California Actors Workshop. This camp is really exciting. We're doing a lot of movement work, exploring our habitual ways of moving and holding our bodies, as well as delving into some observed bodies that we see around. We move away from the social and mundane into the communal and profound. We do classes for a week, but then for the second week, we are engaged fully all day in the work of making a play. We put on an entire production in a week, and we do it fully. It's fully invested in terms of character, in terms of movement, everything's memorized. The amount of focus that requires from these kids is a really high level of focus that you can't necessarily expect from professional actors. So I'm always so impressed by the kids when they come here and are able to really zero in.
Yeah, the instructors,
they're so confident and they don't care about what people think.
Definitely pushing us to a level that we wouldn't normally go to.
Things are moving along really quickly. I mean, it's really a workshop because there's more than one teacher, so they can be working on several scenes at the same time.
If I was just given a scene, I would have just looked at it and said, okay, read it, and gone off and done it, but they tell us, no, you gotta break it down, you gotta say what your character wants, why they're doing this, what's in their way.
Every kid in like the drama class, we're all friends.
Yeah.
Like
Even Evan.
It's
like one of the girls now. He's a boy, by the way.
This is a great camp. A lot of the teachers here are not teachers. They're people who do what they're teaching.
I personally obtained a Master of Fine Arts degree from Brown University, and we always bring in new, fresh, talented, and very skilled instructors. The play that we're working on right now, Complete History of America Abridged, is hilarious, and it has opportunities for both musical theater to happen, as well as vaudeville tricks, multimedia performances, and ultimately, really funny acting. We'll teach you how to engage with the script and how to actualize it in space.